That's in. Boom, 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 baby. That's in. We're playing whole human chart here. This is whole human chart. It's a lovely little course here on the south side of Scotland. It's got tight greens, it's got tight fairways, it's a real challenging hole, and I'll tell you what, he just put that one right in from the fairway. That was one hell of a shot. Marvin, I don't know what's going on here in the land of the Scots, but this is just crazy. You got planes flying over here that have big balloons on the bottom of them. The man makes a hole, it's just crazy. Crazy. Morning. Nothing like a good sunrise, huh? Oh, I don't want to piss off the neighbors and start cutting the green this early because it's Sunday. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to clean up the garden some. If you haven't watched what we're doing is we took 100 pounds of tomatoes out of these 2 boxes, and every year this gets hit with some kind of blight. So once that happens, we pull them out and we replant. And yes, I'm treating for it. It just came out and sprayed with hydrogen peroxide. It's just, there's no air circulation back here, and it gets late sun. So overall, it's just not a good. Why do I have so many birds around? So you can see I whacked a lot of these plants down, and you can see the dark green leaves growing back. Like over here, well, you can't see this one, but they'll grow back if you whack them down, get rid of all this snow mold. They'll regenerate new dark green leaves and they'll produce squash. So you can see these are new green leaves, and you can see those have been covered with a little bit of mold and they're starting to turn yellow. So all those have got to go. See how this plant is regenerating, and there's actually a squash down there. So that's basically what I've done. Same thing, I cut all these back and now I've got nice green leaves over here. Cut this all back, I got green leaves coming up over here. So this is kind of unusual. Well, it's not unusual. This week is going to be hot and dry. We need some rain actually, and I never thought I'd say that this year, but we actually kind of need some rain. It's going to be probably 97 degrees here today. It's going to be hot, and it's going to be like 3 days of this, 90, 95 to 97, and only a 10 to 20% chance of rain coming up for like a whole week. So at least I finally get to run my irrigation system. I'm concerned about barbs and the other lawns, but I mean, they burn out every year. If we go into a drought situation, it's not burnout. They go dormant. They pull back. Plant's smart. Plant pulls back. Looks like it's going dormant or burn, but it's just going dormant. But I can fight it. I got water. So cut the human char green and go from there. Today's hole-in-one prizes are brought to you by Human Char, the next level in soil generation. Alright, so it's, I don't even know what time it is. I'm guessing it's about 10 o'clock. And it's already 85 degrees in the shade, so if I'm going to get out here and cut this lawn, I better get out here and cut it now. So I'm not gonna put the whole lawn cutting on video today, but this is just, I wanted to give you an example just how easy these units are to operate. And it really is a 2-finger cut. These things slow your pace down, which is nice. You never get tired or winded. It's a very slow pace walk. But as you can see, I can use one hand and go by these bushes which have thorns and not get cut. Then I can just disengage the wheel and I can use it like a regular push mower. It's light enough to do that. That's why I love these McLeans. And there's no lubing. So one reason, every time I take out a true cut, I got to get out the grease gun and I got their grease hogs. And then you get grease stains on your grass. It's a great product, but much prefer the McLeans. I'll put a link below. So the sprinklers are running down there, watering the green, everything's all cut. Whole humitar is almost ready to play again. Again, this is a lovely course, south side of the islands. If you ever get a chance to come down here, play this hole. It's a tough one. It's a tough one.